Unboxing my
What
and Rich
is
Boys
going on,
Racing
beautiful people? My
Collection.
name is Lay Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone! So today's video is, ayan, share ko sa inyo yung ating na-purchase sa Rich Boys. So without further ado, ayan, kunin natin. Again, disclaimer, this item hindi sponsor. And ito yung aking pinakaantay na unboxing. Ayan, for this month of December. A quick story lang guys. November 27 to 29 po, Rich Boy is nag-sale sila sa, I think, Makati or Manila area. And then, I feel sad kasi that time is flight namin pauwi sa Jensen after the Blackpink concert. Ayun. So, nagsaya ako sa BGC and then nung nalaman ko na yun na nga, si Rich Boy is meron silang sale. Ayan. And yun yata yung Black Friday sale nila. I feel bad. And nag-search ako sa website nila and December 3 yung resume nila. And meron sila that time ng bagong race collection. And ayun, galing ako ng Tupik nun. Medyo malayo talaga siya, bundok siya. And good thing, meron silang Starlink doon. And yes, nakakuha ako or nakabili ako ng kanilang racing collection. Ayan. So, without further ado, guys, i-unbox natin. Ayan. So, Rich Boy is one of my biggest in-idolize and dream na makolab. Ayan. So baka naman Rich Boy. Biro lang. And honestly guys, ito yung aking first purchase ng Rich Boy. Ayan. Although meron naman akong, I think, 3 Rich Boy na I have the hoodie, I have the sweatpants and the short. Pero galing po yun kila Surf Jeff Ong. And nakalimutan ko anong name ng isang influencer kasi nagpe-pre-love sila. But this time, brand new na binili ko yung Rich Boy. And then hindi lang po isa yung nabili ko, kundi 4 po na purchase for this month. But ito pa yung unang dumating. So ito yung aking first na purchase. Medyo marami-rami din siya. So, unbox natin. Ayan. So, almost 30 minutes yung intro ko. But, ayun. So, thank you so much, Rich Boy. Ayan. Wait. Oh my God! So, ito muna yung first item. Oh, guys! 1, 2, 3. I got canvas bag from Rich Boys. Wow! I'm so happy for this. Thank you so much, Rich Boy. Ayan. So, I believe ito yung previous nila for me. Thank you so much. Wow! Oh my God. So, second, first item from Rich Boy is this one. This is, honestly guys, may sakit ako today. Ang kanilang racing shorts. Ayan. So, large ako dito. So, for size reference, I'm 5'11", 75 kg. So, sometimes, large or XL ko yung kinukuha sa Rich Boys. Wow, ano nakasulat? Instructions. Ayan. So guys, I'm happy kasi ito yung susuotin ko sa Christmas party namin this Friday. Ayan. I'm so happy kasi dumating siya today. Kasi ang dami pong nag-purchase din kasi sa kanila and ang dami pong delay na item. Ayan. So I'm happy kasi dumating siya and sana yung mga additional 3 collections na mabibili ko is sana dumating this coming birthday ko. So first item, this one. And I think 6 PM na today. Ayan, ayan, alas 6 na. So meron silang holiday collection din. Sana makakuha ko ng pistachio nila na bagong hoodie. Ayan. So second item is this one. Ito yung kanilang pants na racing collection. Ito yung mga bagong collection nila, guys. Ayan. So, i-unbox ko to mamaya isa-isa. And last but not the least, wait lang, baka may mga stickers. Oh my God, meron nga. Ayan, so ilalagay ko to sa Vespa ko or sa aking espresso. Ayan, thank you so much sa stickers. And yes, ito yung kanilang resibo. Ayan. Oh my God. Ang daming stickers. Oh, ayan, may 3 stickers ako from Rich Boy. So, ilalagay ko to sa laptop ko, sa sasakyan, and sa aking windshield ng Vespa. And last is this one. Yes, ito ang kanilang, anong tawag dito? Ang ganda. Honestly, guys, nakita ko to kay Tito Mikey. Ayan. So, kaya ginaya ko siya. And hoping na size large ako for this one. Ayan. So, unbox natin. So, first item is this one. Gagawa muna ako ng thumbnail for this. Para naman, ano. Ayan. Racing Collections. Ayan. Ang saya ko. So, large ako dito for Racing Collection. And yes, it's so nice. So, tama yung size na pinili ko. And ang ganda niya. So, ito yung susuotin ko sa event namin this Friday. Kasi red yung team namin and sakto lang. Red din siya. So, ito yung sinuot ni Tita Mikey sa kanilang Japan trip ata. Ayan. So, ayun. It's either large or medium pag ganito. But I'm happy for this one. Ayan. Second is this shorts. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang racing shorts. O, di ba? Super nice. Oh my God. Look, guys. Ayan. It's super nice. Ang happy ko. Ayan. And ito kanilang bagong pants. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang pants na racing collection. Ayan. And then, pag binuksan nyo, ayan, may design siya. Honestly, guys, meron silang long sleeve nito. Try ko kumuha kung available pa. Ayan. So, large din ako dito. And, ayun, for racing jacket collection nila, kasi 100 lang yung produce nila. And nakakuha ko ng isa. I'm hoping dumating din siya before Friday para masuot ko. Pero yung size na yun is small. So dapat sana medium or large. But hoping na maganda tignan sa akin kung crop man siya yung racing jacket na yun. Kasi honestly guys, yung racing jacket na yun is bumili pa ako ng ticket na one way pa Manila just to go that time nung I think November 28 or 29 yun. Nabalikan lang from Jensen. Pero alam mo, yung pauwi kasi medyo mahal na, nasa 10K na. So hindi ko na lang tinuloy. So kinancel ko and then naging savings na lang siya dun sa aking flight for next flight for next year. Ayan. So ayan, thank you so much Rich Boy for this. Ayan, medyo matagal siyang dumating but sulit. Ayan. So yun lang. Huwag matipid, magsipag. Enjoy shopping everyone. Bye!